In this video, I will show you how to go live on Facebook account. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Facebook app. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and make sure you click on your profile icon. So go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Then go ahead and click on create. Then go ahead and click on live. Then here you go. Now, before you go live, you can easily set your privacy right here. Go ahead and click on public right here. Then you can choose your audience right here. You can decide that you want all friends to have access to your live stream. You can choose some set of people, specific friend, or you can make it only you, or you can set to be only close friend. Everything depends on the audience you want to choose right here. So in this regard, I want to just test one with only me right here. I'm going to select only me and I'll hit on save right here. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on go live right here. Once you click on go live, then you become live stream on your Facebook profile. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.